Hi everyone, you're welcome. I'm going to make this healthy medicinal black soup today. Please make sure you watch from the start till the end. Don't skip it for anything. This soup is very rich, it's good for the body, and you will love it. All right, let's get started. As you can see, I have finished washing my meat. I used shaki, ring, roundabout, beef, dried fish, smoked fish, and yes, so I'm going to season it. As you can see, I added my seasoning, salt, and stir. I'm going to cover and let the meat start cooking. It's time to add pepper and blended crayfish. I'm going to stir carefully and then cover again to let cook for some minutes, and thereafter I open it and add my dried fish. I'll be using fresh fish for this. Sorry, I made a mistake before. I'll be using fresh fish. You are going to also see it later on. I'm using fresh palm oil for this soup. I'm not going to use the banga. I'm using palm oil. This is what makes it even more delicious and nutritious. Okay, if you add the banga, it's going to like take everything, like you won't feel the taste. So this is my already blended green leaves, the green leaves, the pumpkin leaf, bitter leaf, scent leaf, ebewewa, and everything. They are all blended together. So I'm going to add it in after my meat is almost cooked, because it's going to cook with the leaf later on. So now I'm going to stir and add water. I don't want it to be too thick. Remember, when the black soup is too thick, you are not going to enjoy it. You enjoy it when it is half light, half thick. Okay, just leave it on the average. That way you are going to enjoy it way better. So it's time to stir carefully so that our fish will not scatter in the soup or in the pot. So I'm going to add my fresh fish also. Fresh fish is also very good for this soup. You can use fresh fish or smoked fish, whichever one is good, but I prefer to use the fresh fish because that's what I love. So now I'm going to stir carefully and then cover to let cook. We are going to let this cook for at least 30 to 40 minutes, or if not more than. You just taste it and then you know if it is cooked or not. So I added a little more salt because the salt was not enough. Now I'm going to cover and let cook. I lower my heat because I want the soup not to burn and also to cook very well. I decided to use this spoon so that my fish will not scatter inside the pot. So that's why I used the spoon you are seeing here. And guys, as you can see, my black soup is ready. I really enjoyed this food. I tasted everything. Like, you can feel the taste of the scent leaf, ebewewa, bitter leaf, pumpkin leaf, and everything. It is so healthy, medicinal, and delicious. We all know that these leaves are very good for the body, and don't hesitate to make this soup once in a while, or if not often, because it is good for your body. Thank you so much for watching. I ate mine with plantain fufu. You can eat it with starch or pounded yam, whichever one you like is okay. Thanks for watching and help me to share. See you in my next video. Bye.